Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Smith and today we are going to discuss a very interesting question about patterns. The question says, fill in the box according to the pattern here. So there are some numbers that are given to us. For instance, 2, 1, 4, 1, 6, 2, 8, 3, 10, 5, 12, box and 13. So here the problem is I'm not sure which two numbers I can put here. The numbers have no relation with each other. So let's try to understand first what is the meaning of the word pattern. Why it's asking us to fill according to the pattern and what is the pattern in this question. So let's start off with a simple example. Let's say I have a wooden block here, you can see. And on this wooden block, I ask my animals to stand in a line. Go now. And when they stand in the line, there's a bit of an issue here. There's a big stone in the middle of the wooden block. Now I have to find out which animal is hiding behind this stone. So here we can observe the first animal is a monkey, then a panda, and then chicken, then monkey, panda, and then animal. Monkey, panda, and then chicken. So here we can understand monkey, panda, chicken. Monkey, panda. This means behind the stone. Which animal is hiding? So the animal that is hiding behind this is nothing but the chicken. So what we can understand is just the same part that is continuous again. Monkey, panda, chicken. It's just the same part. Monkey, panda, chicken. Then monkey, panda, chicken. Then monkey, panda, chicken. And when the same part, that is a repeat, after a while, we call the same part, the repeat part, as groups. These are nothing but called as groups. So let's take few more examples regarding this. Now here we have 3, 4, 4, 5. 3, 4, 4, 5. 3, 4. What will be the next number? Oh, we can understand there are numbers that are repeated. So, in one group, one repeat part, how many numbers are repeated? We can see 3, 4, 4, 5. 3, 4, 4, 5. 3, 4. And this means the number that is present here is nothing but the missing number is 4. So, here what we can understand is in numbers or figures, if there is same part that is repeated again and again, we can call it as a pattern. Now, it's not just this thing that can be called as a pattern. For instance, let's say there is a frog here. You can see he just jumped. There is a frog here and now the frog has to climb the tree that is present here. So the frog can jump onto the log where the log has a number 2 written on it. After 2, it will jump on 4. After 4, 6. Then 8. Can anyone tell me to reach at the top log, the top tree, which log he has to jump on? This question mark. Can anyone tell? Oh, we can observe this is 2, 4, 6, 8. Oh, students, that was 10. Very good. It is 10. But why? Perfect. We can observe this is 2. And from 2 to 4, how much do I have to add to get 4? Oh, just 2. Perfect. Now in 4, how much to add to get 6? Oh, again just 2. From 4, 6, how much to add to get 8? Again 2. And in 8, how much to add? Just 2. And 8 plus 2 is nothing but 10 here. So I can just write down 10 in here. So as we just saw, pattern is something that is repeat. So here, what is repeating if all the numbers are different? There is something that is not changing, which is repeating again and again. That is the change here. The change here from 2 to 4 is just 2. The change here from 4 to 6 is just 2. The change here from 6 to 8 is just 2. And 8 to 10 is just 2. So the only thing that is unchanged here is nothing but the change. That is the difference between two numbers. The change is unchanged. Now, it's not just this part. Let's say the frog jumped and reached at the top. Now he has to reach at bottom again. So, the first block where he can jump is 19, then 15, then 11, then 7. And then we have to find out which log he has to jump upon so that he can reach down. So, can anyone tell me which one it is? Oh, there's one thing that we can understand from 9 to 15. How much we have to remove to get 15? Oh, just 4 we have to remove. Remove 4 or 4 removed. Then from 15 to 11, how much? Oh, again remove 4. From 11 to 7, how much do we have to subtract? Oh, remove 4. And at last from 4, 7. How much to remove? Is the same part that has removed 4. And in 7, if I remove 4, how much will I get? It's nothing but just 3. So here, in this part, what we can understand is, it's not just about the increasing change. It can also be decreasing. But a change is just a change between two numbers. So whenever there is a number increasing or decreasing where the change is same, we can call it as a pattern. So if I summarize this, whenever we have a number pattern, we can find out the repeat part. If it's the same number repeating, same figure repeating again and again. Or there is the change that remains the same. That is here. Just now we saw plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. Or remove 4, remove 4, remove 4. Change is same. Now, it's not just there are these two types of pattern questions that are present. There are other types also. For example, like this. Let's have a look at the question here. There is 1, then 2, then 3, then 5, 8, 13. Now, if I just check the difference here, the change here, is it the same? Oh, 1, 1, 2. Oh, the numbers are not even repeating. Then 1, 1. The change here is nothing. 1 to 2, it's nothing but plus 1. I have to add 1. Then 2 to 3 is nothing but add 1. 3 to 5, how much to add? Add 2. And 5 to 8, is there something that, oh, add 3. And then 8 to 13, how much to add? Oh, add 5. There's no difference, that is the same. Oh, so how to solve this problem here? How to tackle this problem here? We can observe the first number is just 1. The second number is just 1. Oh, 1, 1, the same. But the third number is 2. This 2, how I can get from the previous numbers? Is there any way? 1 plus 1 is 2. Oh, if this is the thing, this number is 3. How to get 3 from the previous 2 or 3 number? 3 is nothing but 1 plus 2, which is nothing but 3. What about 5? Oh, 2 plus 3 is nothing but 5. What about 8? 3 plus 5 is nothing but 8. What about 13 then? 5 plus 8 is nothing but 13. So now what we can observe here is the number that is present ahead is just the sum of the previous two numbers. That is 5 is nothing but 2 plus 3. 8 is nothing but 5 plus 3. So 13 is nothing but 5 plus 8. So this number, how to get this number? It's nothing but 8 plus 13. And 8 plus 13 is nothing but how much? Perfect. That is just 21. Here we can get the answer. So it's not just about the part that is repeated or the change that is the same. Sometimes there is a relation between the numbers that is not changed. For example, here it's the sum of previous two numbers. So the relation is the same. So here I can write down the third part in our summary. That is, the relation is same. Now, it's not just these three types. Sometimes the question can be mixed, can be combined with these three forms and can be asked and we are not sure. So let's take an example. Let's say here, this question has 10. After 10, the next number is just 1. From 10 to 1. From 1 to again 20. Oh, 20 again to 1. Then 30. Oh, then 2. Then 40. Then 3. Then 15. Then 5. Then 60. then 8, then 70. The question is asking me what is the next number. Oh, first of all, are the numbers repeated? Of course not. All the numbers are different. Then is the change same? Let's see. 10 to 1, how much I have to remove? Remove 9. 1 to 20. Oh, it's 19 added. What about 20 to 1? 19 removed. Suddenly 19 removed. Pretty challenging here. If I try to find out from the change, can't see relation. But are there numbers that has any relation between over here? Are there any numbers that share any relation? Oh, we can observe it's 10. Then, is there any number having a relation with 10? It's 20. Is there number having relation with 10? 30. Then 40. Then 50. Then 60. And then comes 70. Oh, so there is a relation between this 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. What about the remaining number but? What is the relation? We can observe this is 1 and this is also 1. 1, the same. This is 2 and this is 3. Oh, isn't this the same thing that we just saw? 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. For example, 3. 3 is the sum of which two numbers? 1 and 2. What about 5? 3 and 2. What about 8? 5 and 3. What about the next number then? If we just see this numbers has a relation, this numbers has relation, leaving one number, this means the box that I'm looking for is the relation of this number. So how to get this number now? The box. It's just the sum of the previous two number. That is 5 and 8 and which is nothing but 13. So here, sometimes it's not just about the part that is repeated or the groups or the change is same or the relation is same. Sometimes it can be combined. So we can check it in order to find out which type of pattern question it is. Now, understanding this, let's see our actual question. Now, our actual question. Are the numbers repeated? Of course not. Now, are the numbers having the same change? Let's see. 2 and 1. Oh, just remove 1. 1 and 4. Add 3. 3, 4 and 1. Remove 3. 1 and 6. Add 5. Oh, no. There's no relation between the numbers. So, what should we do? The next part about the relation was same. Are the relation of numbers the same? So, what we can observe here? The first number is 2. Is there any number that has a relation with 2 here directly? 4. 2 and 4 has a relation which is quite near. From 4, which number? Oh, 6. 2, then comes 4, and then comes 6. Then comes which number? Oh, 8. Then 10. Then leaving one number is 12. So if I just see relation of this number 2, 4. 2 to 4, what is the change? Oh, add 2. 4 to 6, what is the change here? Oh, add 2. 6 to 8, what is the relation? Add 2 again. So here also add 2. Here also add 2. So what about the relation of this number and the box? Add 2. And 12 plus 2 is nothing but 14 over here. So if this is the relation between this number, how about the remaining number 1 and 1? What is the number? Oh, it's 2 here. 1 and 2, what is the number? Oh, it's 3 here. 2 and 3, 5. 3 and 5, it's nothing but this number. So 3 and 5, what is the number? Just 8. And that's how we can get the answer. So here the part that we can understand is this example. Quite similar to the previous one, but it's quite difficult to directly see the relation. So what's the best thing that we can do is we can try from step by step. See if the repeat part is the same. See if the change is the same. See if the relation is the same. Or there is just a mixed connection between the numbers. So that's how we can solve questions based on pattern. This is just the part 1 of the video. Stay tuned for the part 2. But if you have any other doubts while solving pattern question or you have any interesting questions to ask me, you can scan this QR code which I'll show you just now. But the summary is these 3 parts. So you can scan this QR code and can send me a message. If you have any of the doubts, post it in the group and I'll be there to help you with your doubts. Now, I'm Teacher Smith signing off right now, but I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.